Okay guys, today we're going to talk about that big bale of peat moss in your garage ready to make hypertufa or plant some plants, and it is a solid block. I've opened mine, which I got last year at a markdown, and it's a solid block. I have poked it with a fireplace poker, tried gouging it with a knife, and nothing helps, but I do know a secret technique to do that. All you need is some boiling water. What I did is take a knife and cut out a gallon volume of a big block of that peat, and I put it in a container that can stand boiling water. As you see, it's lighter than air, but there's just nothing you can do with it. It's like you need to put it through a cheese grater to try to get it back into the dust that you need for hypertufa or to return it into soil. But just go boil water. This is a quart pan that I've got here, and I poured that directly over the peat moss in this bowl. Now I ended up pouring 4 of these. I've just looped the video to show pouring 2 here, but if you wait a little bit, you can even wait as much as 24 hours and then just start hacking it and stirring it, and it all crumbles apart. Now you can see there are some big lumps there, so I am putting in the 4th one. It absorbs so much more water than you think it will, but it eventually just returns to just the regular plain ordinary soil. I had this outside and was working with it, but it was a cold day, and by the following day I'd taken it back inside and just stir it. You can see that all the water absorbs. It's now into the peat, but the peat itself is not wet. This is slightly moist here, but now in the following days it's dried out. I'm going to bag it into gallon bags and save it. There's no water settled in the bottom. I'm trying to show you a little angle there to show you the bottom. It's not standing in water. It's dry, just barely moist. At this stage, it's perfect to pot something up. But try that and see what you think. Even those pots, that old pots and flowers, they work too. Just pour boiling water on them. You've got soil again for the garden. Thanks a lot.